So today we are going to see the things that we can eat and drink along with their pictures and their Urdu meaning. So the very first is beef. Beef means in Urdu gai ka gosht, and this is the picture of beef. Beef means gai ka gosht. Buckwheat. Buckwheat means methi. Buckwheat, methi. Bran. Bran means choker. This is the picture of bran. Bran, choker. Mutton. Mutton means bakre ka gosht, yani chota gosht. Mutton. This is the picture of mutton. Mutton means bakre ka gosht. Biscuits. Biscuit. This is the picture of biscuits. Mince. Mince means keema. Mince. The grinded form of meat, we can also say it's mince. Mince means keema. This is the picture of mince. Oats. Oats means jay. This is the picture of oats. Oats means jay. Poppy. Poppy means khashkhash. Poppy. Poppy, khashkhash. Pepper. Pepper means kali mirch. This is the picture of pepper. Pickle. Pickle means achar. This is the picture of pickle. Pickle. In Urdu, achar. Pastry. Pastry. This is the picture of pastry. And the other one is sesame. Sesame means tal or sesame. Sesame means tal. This is the picture of sesame. Semolina. Semolina means in Urdu suji. Semolina, suji. This is semolina. Syrup. Syrup in Urdu we called it sharbat. This is syrup. Syrup means sharbat. Saffron. Saffron means in Urdu zafran. Saffron, zafran. Tamarind. Tamarind means imli. This is imli. Tamarind, imli. Wine. Wine means sharab. Wine. Wine means sharab. This is the picture of wine. Ketchup. Chutney. This is ketchup. Ketchup means chutney. Water. Water. Pani. This is the picture of water. Gruel. Gruel means dalia. Gruel. This is the picture of gruel. Means dalia. Honey. This is honey. The picture of honey. Honey means shahad. Honey, shahad. Ice cream. This is ice cream. And we also called in Urdu it as ice cream. Kidney bean. Kidney beans मूंग या लोबिया. हम इसे लोबिया भी कह सकते हैं. Kidney bean, मूंग. This is the picture of kidney bean. Lunch. Lunch means दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर का खाना. Lunch. Meat. गोश्त. This is the picture of meat. गोश्त. Millet. Millet we called in Urdu it as bajra. Millet, bajra. This is the picture of millet. Milk. Milk means doodh. This is the picture of milk, and in Urdu we call it doodh. Oil. Oil means tel. Oil, tel. This is the picture of oil. Pulse. Pulse means dal. Pulse, dal. Rice. Rice means chawal. Rice, chawal. Porridge. Porridge means dalia. Porridge, dalia. Snakes. तली हुई डलिया. snakes, तली हुई डलिया. All these types of chefs we call it snakes. Sauce means chutney. Sauce, chutney, and this is its picture. Sugar, generally sugar. Chini, this is the picture of sugar. Salt means namak. This is the salt shaker and this is the salt. Salt means namak. Turmeric, haldi. This is the picture of turmeric, haldi. Tea means chai. Simple. This is the picture of tea. Tea means chai. Treacle means shira. This is treacle. Treacle means shira. Vinegar means sarka. Vinegar, sarka. Cardamom means elachi. Cardamom, elachi. This is its picture. Castor seed. These are the pictures of castor seeds, and castor seeds means aren't. Cheese. This is cheese. Cheese means paneer. Cream means balai. This is the picture of cream, balai. Coffee means coffee. In Urdu also is coffee. These are pictures of coffee. Egg means anda. Egg, anda. Fine flour means maida. This is the picture of fine flour. Gram means chana. This is the picture of gram. Grain, anaj, or grains, anaj. These are some grains. Arrowroot means arrowroot. In Urdu we call it arrowroot, and these are some arrowroots. Betel means pan. These are beetles. We call it pan. Butter means makhan. This is butter. This is the picture of butter, makhan. Bread means double roti. This is bread, roti, double roti. Broth means shorba. This is broth means shorba. Cake means cake, simple, cake. This is a picture of cake. Comfit means elaichi dana. Comfit, elaichi dana. Cornier or connier, butter. These are connier. Chapati is a sort of we can say a bread. Chapati. This is its picture. Cluster bean means jawar. These are some cluster beans, and in Urdu we call it jawar. Dinner, sham ka khana. Dinner, sham ka khana. Flour means atta. This is the picture of flour. Flour means atta. Jam means murabba. This is jam, and in Urdu we call it murabba. Ghee means ghee, simple, ghee. In Urdu also is ghee, and this is the picture. We used it for cooking. Ice means barf. Ice, barf. Jiggery means gold. Jiggery, gold. It's a sort of sweetish thing which is made up of the sugar cane. Jiggery means gold. Lentil means masoor. Lentil. This is lentil, masoor. Maize, makai. Mustard means rye. Mustard. This is the picture of mustard, and in Urdu we call it rye. Samosas. In Urdu also is samose. Samosas means samose. These are some samosas. Pizza or pizza. This is a picture of pizza, and in Urdu also pizza, or sometimes we call it paratha. Pizza means pizza, and this is the picture. And the last one is fritters. Fritters mean pakode or fritters. Fritters means pakode. This is its picture, and we called it pakode. Thank you.